Since its launch in 2010, the PCX125 has been one of the top-selling scooters in Europe, with sales exceeding 140,000 units. In its most recent iteration, the PCX125 distinguishes itself by a blend of efficient power, premium features, and contemporary style. The PCX125's design has been revised for 2025, incorporating redesigned bodywork and improved functionality. The DX model features a 5-inch TFT-colored display, standard model with LCD display, that can link to a smartphone using Honda RoadSync technology. Navigation, calls, and music may be managed using a 4-way switch located on the handlebar. The PCX125 is equipped with standard LED lighting, a smart key system, and a USB-C charging connector located in the storage compartment. There is a substantial storage compartment of 30.4 liters beneath the seat, accommodating a full-face helmet. The Honda PCX125 is equipped with the ESP Plus single-cylinder engine, displacing 125 cubic centimeters and producing 12.5 horsepower. The engine adheres to the -5 Euro+ pollution standard and is engineered for efficiency, consuming 2.1 liters per 100 kilometers, which permits a range of up to 385 kilometers. The start-stop system enhances fuel efficiency by deactivating the engine when the vehicle is stationary and restarting it with a gentle twist of the throttle. The Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) enhances traction, particularly on slick surfaces, and can be disabled if required. The 2025 PCX125 features a duplex steel frame engineered for stability and agility in urban traffic. The front fork has a diameter of 31 mm for both the basic and DX models, with a travel of 89 mm, whereas the new rear shock absorbers on the DX model include an external reservoir and offer a journey of 95 mm. A new 220 mm diameter disc brake has been installed at the rear, replacing the former drum brake, while the front wheel is also equipped with a 220 mm disc brake. A single-channel ABS system provides enhanced safety during braking. The PCX125 provides numerous functional attributes that facilitate daily utilization. The USB-C connector facilitates the charging of mobile devices, while the Smart Key function manages ignition, seat, and storage compartment locks, in addition to the optional 35-liter top box. Honda now provides a winter kit that includes a windshield and heated grips. The prices for the PCX125 2025 have not yet been disclosed.